Okay, so finally GJ's making a move. I have nothing really to say about her right now, aside from so I've been kind of like using the fibs on the 1 hour to kind of like keep track. So first it was like from here to here, you know, and then from here to here, point A to point B, point A to point B. So I even put the fibs here. It was just tiny fib, right? But you see, I've been back testing past few weeks, and GJ's obsessed with like coming in these 61.8 to like 100% zones. So, you know, came back here, right on this level. That's all you can also see on the 6 hour. That's where I got this zone from. There you go. And then yeah, just continue bullish, but I haven't added any more positions. I'm still in from right here. So this is my entry. It was right after it broke the trend line and came down, made that higher low. Again, my take profits, my take profits are like 155 and then like 154.5. So it's like right here. So I know people would, I mean, even I would think that, okay, this is point A, this is point B. So then we must be heading up here. It would make sense, wouldn't it? But the way we close on the monthly time frame, it's like, let's see if I can find another one. Right, the way we close on the monthly time frame, we closed, you know, like with a whole lot of wick at the top. And that's what those lower highs were creating. Of course, I didn't know that before, but I know now. So I'm just saying. Oh, so structurally, when it comes to like, I mean, look, this is what I wanted to point out. It's these lower highs again and again and again. So the last lower high structurally was right here. And these are not structural. I mean, they kind of are, but the thing is that we haven't made any new lower lows. So lower low, lower high. Not too low. So I think we'd still, oh yeah, right here. Here. Yeah, we'd still be operating within this fib because we haven't made a new lower low. But aside from using the Fibonacci to track where we are in structure, we just keep making lower highs, and we were at a resistance on the monthly time frame. So it's just like, you know, I don't know. On GU now, this is why I'm mentioning all this, because on GU, it's no doubt, like it's very obvious, you know. But it's not as ambiguous as GJ. Like it goes up, creates this like head and shoulders pattern, and then continues bearish. But GJ, on the other hand, shot up, and so it looks like it'll continue bearish. You know, I know they're each their own pair, but they do move very similarly. Now, using the JPY basket as confluence, that's been going pretty well, actually. It's been going pretty well. So this is going bearish. It just means the Japanese yen is getting a lot weaker, and then it's forcing the GBP then by default to gain strength, which is why we're pushing right now. And it was also, you know, it was the lower highs here. Like I saw we were at a high, right? And then we had all of this, and then we had like some sort of structure break. And it was after that, like, you know, you just kept making lower highs, kept making lower highs. And I'm just like, that's going to make me think that, you know, I'm going to want to do something like this. And price would come here. So I was seeing price starting to have a lot of bearish momentum up here. And then, you know, the trend line broke and everything. So, you know, that was like, that gave me a lot of confidence to say, okay, yeah, I think the GBP is about to get really strong. And you see, now we have GBP just flying right now. Oh, and for gold, I'm still in sells. Oh, so yeah, I did say that I wanted to see like a break of support, but honestly, I got in yesterday after the break of the trend line and then this retest. All right, wait, is that where I got in? No, I got in because of this. So aside from the location, we're actually in a supply area on the daily time frame, but this is when I got in, right? So I saw this little support being created, saw this candle break through it in a way, Then I entered in. My stop losses was above the 1870 area, see, because, you know, whole numbers. And gold fluctuates a lot. So I was just like, let me just put my stop above here. My take profit is far away. But we do have enough news coming in. Let's try to share. We do have, yeah, okay. We do have enough news coming in within the next few days to actually push price bearish, right? Because let's see, we have the core retail sales. Oh my God, that's today. Okay. This is supposed to be good for the US dollar. If it's good for the US dollar, people are going to start taking out their money in gold and putting it into the US stocks because the economy, right? So I would expect a drop in gold. So that's at 8:30. Same thing. Oh, we have CPI news for GBP tomorrow at 2. And it's supposed to be good for the currency. I feel like we never get GBP news, but it's supposed to be good with the currency, and that will just cause price to shoot up again even more. So imagine. Probably could be going bullish for a second. I don't know how far though, but yeah, that's all I'm seeing right now on the charts. Hope y'all are still alive within this trading.